One of the primary reasons that people use spreadsheet applications is to help them make decisions. And one of the features that can help users make decisions is the sorting feature. The sorting feature is used to rearrange the information in either ascending or descending order. Ascending order would be smallest to largest, or A to Z. Descending order would be largest to smallest, or Z to A. The sorting can be done in a couple of different ways, and it depends on what information is currently in the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet being displayed right now is a very simple spreadsheet. It has a list of students in cells A1 through A10, and let's assume for a minute that the information in B1 through B10 is their basketball numbers. So this is more like a roster. Let's assume that we want to sort the information so that the student with the smallest number shows up on the top and the student with the largest number shows up on the bottom. That would be sorting in ascending order. The easiest way to do this is to hover your mouse over the column heading that you want to sort, in this case column B, click on the drop-down box, and then click Sort A to Z, so that's ascending. You'll notice that it rearranges all of the information so that Trina, who has the number 5, shows up at the top of the spreadsheet, and Meredith, who has the largest number, 27, shows up at the bottom of the spreadsheet. Now, even though I only selected column B to sort by, the computer automatically recognized that it needed to keep the information together. So it didn't change the numbers for the students, it moved the numbers and the student names together to rearrange them. Now, this isn't a simple search or a simple sort. However, sometimes things get a little more complicated. So looking at the spreadsheet now on your screen, this is a fundraising tracking sheet. This is a hypothetical situation in which the students are collecting money for some kind of a fundraiser, and that money has been collected 3 times. The students are listed in cells A3 through A12, and then the amount that they've been collecting is in B3 through D12. Now, if I did the exact same thing as I previously displayed to you, it will mess up the formatting of the spreadsheet. So let's say for a minute that I only want to rearrange the information in ascending order by the November 13th sale. So if I click on the drop-down box and I click Sort A to Z, that's ascending order, it will rearrange the information, but you'll notice that fundraising tracking moves, which is the title of the sheet, as well as the dates down to the bottom. Because I have headers and I have a title on here, I can't just solely use the drop-down box like I did in the prior example. What I actually have to do is select the information that I want to sort and then choose the sort range feature. So I'm going to sort the information in A2 through D12. I don't want to select A1 because that's the spreadsheet or this title that I'm giving to this that I want on the printout. So I right click and I say sort range. Now, because I included the dates are the headings or the headers. We don't want those to move. Therefore, we need to select that, yes, I selected a header row because that way it will stay in row 2. Then I have to choose how do I want to sort. And you'll notice when I click on the drop-down box, I have the options column A, November 13th, November 20th, or November 27th. Now, column A is blank. There's nothing in cell A2, therefore column A just shows up as column A. November 13th, November 20th, and November 27th do show up in row 2, therefore they show up as our headers. We're going to rearrange the data based on the November 13th sale in ascending order, A to Z, and hit sort. It'll rearrange all the information correctly, but it does leave the dates at the top. So Hannah sold the least in that first sale of $5, and Julie sold the most with $27. Now, sometimes you'll have ties, and you'll have to have tiebreakers, and that's where you add the secondary sort. So for example, if we look at the November 20th sale collection or money collection date, you'll notice Meredith sold $25 and Tara sold $25. So if we simply did a sort based on the money collected on November 20th in ascending order, it will put Meredith on top and Tara on the bottom solely because Meredith is first in the alphabet and Tara is second in the alphabet. So that's the automatic tiebreaker. But maybe we don't want that. Maybe we want to show a secondary sort option. So we'll do data has a header row, November 20th in ascending order, but then we can add the secondary sort. So then we'll sort by November 27th and we'll say who actually sold the least there. So if we do that, Tara will show up first because although she and Meredith sold the same amount on November 20th, Tara sold less on November 27th. So she shows up first because that value is sorted in ascending order as well. And this is how you can use sorting to help you make decisions.